guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 4 of November, so the last paycheck of the month. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so before we get into business, I have a huge surprise for you guys, and this is it right here. This is the new 2022 challenge. So this is bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. These are the 5 tiers for the challenge. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna actually be launching this on my new website instead of Etsy, because you guys already know I had an Etsy shop for a year already, and now I'll be launching my own website because Etsy do take a lot of fees. So I will explain more into this. Let me just pull it up on my iPad real quick. There are 5 tiers to the saving challenge I created. It's a fun, exciting way to save. Why not make saving as fun as spending, right? So this is a scratch off to see the amount needed to save each paycheck. Either you get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depends on the amount of diamonds you would scratch off per paycheck. There are 52 weeks in a year, so I made 52 gems to scratch off per card with a secret amount hidden. For example, if you get paid weekly, you will scratch off 1 gem, any one that you want, and you will have to save that amount from that paycheck, and you do that every week and so forth. Next, if you get paid bi-weekly, you will have to scratch off 2 gems per payday because you get paid every 2 weeks. If you get paid monthly, you will scratch off 4 gems per paycheck due to being paid every 4 weeks. Hope it makes sense. Now on to explaining the tiers. So I did tell you guys in the beginning that I have 5 tiers to this scratch off savings challenge. There's bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. You guys, don't it look really nice though? Like, look at it real quick. Like, see, I have like the orange accent, and it definitely looks like a whole scratch off card that I designed. And on the back there are 52 gems like I explained, and they're all hidden, so you have to scratch one off, and that's the best part of this new challenge is a scratch off version. Bronze is a $500 goal to save for a year. This is awesome for teens, or if any parent wants to teach their kids how to save. This will be an exciting stepping stone to get them to save. You could also use this as a chores reward money. I guess that's what I call it. What I mean is, if your kids do their chores and they get a weekly allowance, they can scratch off 1 gem to stuff in their envelope. The amounts are all under $10. Be creative. If you choose this for your child, I'm just giving you an idea I thought of. So yeah, you guys could teach your kids any type of way with this kind of saving challenge, but this is something that I thought of when I did make this bronze challenge. It don't have to specifically be for kids, teenagers. You could also use this for yourself too, but that's what I thought of this idea for, was a chores reward challenge. So it'll get the kids excited to do their chores or whatever, stuff their money, save their money, whatever it is. All right, so on to the silver challenge. Silver is a goal of $100 for the year. Each hidden amount ranges from lowest $10 to highest $25 per gem. Okay, and next is gold. Gold is a $2,000 goal for the year. Each amount ranges from lowest $25 to highest $50. Platinum is a goal of $4,000 for the year. Each hidden amount ranges from lowest $55 to highest $95. And lastly, guys, the all-time high is my diamond challenge. Is a goal of $8,000 for the year. So each hidden amount ranges from the lowest of $130 to the highest of $175. So that's it. Also guys, I do have a reminder, so please choose what is possible for you. If you can save whichever amount you can afford and put up the challenge, go for it. Don't try to go all in and pick something you can't do and fall off the challenge. I do disclose the amount from highest to lowest per tier, so it won't be much of a surprise when payday comes. It's definitely a fun way to save. The excitement of gambling, which is a scratch off card, and the feeling of accomplishments savings at the same time. Enjoy. Don't forget about anyone in your family that needs a hand to save. This is a perfect way. Happy budgeting and savings. So that is the whole description that I wrote for my savings challenge earlier. Is really amazing, guys. I don't even know which one I will be doing this next year, but yeah. So diamond is $8,000 goal, platinum is $4,000, gold is $2,000, silver is $1,000, and bronze is $500. So you know how when you go to the store and the amounts are at the top, so here that is. So it looked like a legit scratch off card, but I made it into a saving challenge. Like, just think about it, guys. The excitement of gambling and the accomplishment of savings all in one idea, all on one card. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys love it, because I actually thought of this idea for over almost a year already, probably like 9 months, 8 months in, when I was doing my old saving challenge that I did create it for 2021, and it blew up. Thank you guys all for your support. That really blew up. So yeah, and this I will be launching for 2022, but I'll have that date to launch these items on Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. I don't have a limit amount that one person could buy, but I do have like a good amount in inventory. I guess, I hope it's a good amount. I'm not sure how it will sell, but it's a very cool way to save, guys. So let's get right onto stuff in these envelopes. Okay, guys, starting off with utilities. Utilities is getting $50. Onto my cash envelopes. Okay, starting off with groceries. We do have some money left in groceries. I only have $20 left, and this $20 is gonna go to the side, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do with this $20. And groceries always get $120, so 120. Next is gas, and gas is getting $20. Spending is getting $20. Beauty is getting $10. This is giving, and giving is getting $5. Okay, guys, onto my sinking funds. Lanesia is getting her usual $25. You guys do comment down below what you guys think of the idea of the savings challenge. Are you guys going to buy any? And if you are, which saving challenge will you be getting? Okay, so Lanesia has $6,000. 1, 2, 300, 50, 70, 90, 410, 415, 420. So Lanesia has $6,420. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting $25. Jaden has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000, 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 5, 10, 15. So Jaden has $6,215. Next is vacation, and vacation is getting $15. $100, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 70. So we have 170 in vacation. Family time is getting $10. So did you guys went Black Friday shopping or Cyber Monday? There were really great deals out there. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 for family time. Next is drip, and drip is getting $30. I bought myself a few pieces. 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 370 in drip. You guys know that in update sinking funds video, that's when I pull out of these envelopes the amount I spent from my buffer account. Okay, onto our cash emergency fund. It's getting $20 this week. So we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 1880. Next is home, and home is getting $50. $1,000, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 75. So 1,275. So one of the things I might change in 2022 is this home envelope. So this is my home emergency fund. I might change it because I do want to buy a new house, so I'm gonna have to start working on the down payment for that. So that's one of the things that might change in 2022. Next is car. I don't plan on buying a new car, so this envelope won't change. It will still be in my car emergency fund, just in case, you know, if anything. So we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 40, 60, 85, 95. $1,585. I believe that, okay, that was 500. Okay, health is getting 25. One, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 40, 65, 75, 575. And debt snowball is getting $100. So we have $200 in our debt snowball envelope. 300 I meant. Okay guys, on to my pink binder. Okay, starting off with Christmas, I did spend a lot, guys, on Black Friday and Cyber Monday for Christmas gifts. I still have a lot of other people I haven't checked off yet, so I'm adding 40 more. Like, I usually add 20, but I'm gonna double that just in case, because I already did spend a lot. So we have 1,000, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 210. So $1,210. Next is back to school, and back to school has $200, and I will be taking out some money in my update Second Funds video because Linesia did use some money for her book fair. Next is invest, and we do have $20 to put in from our leftover money from last week. So that is $40 that's going into my stocks. And next is gifts, and gifts is getting $20. So we have 1, 2, 320, 35. So 335 in gifts. I will also be pulling out of this envelope also. Okay guys, last is my savings challenge. So my savings challenge this week is getting $135. So this is 100. You guys, look at this 100. It is so nice. I love the old school money. So this is from 1990. So we have 100, 20, 35. You guys, 4 more boxes to go and we're completed. And so my boyfriend has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, and he will be done also. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget guys, I'll be launching my scratch off savings challenge on Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern, and I will be launching on my website www.pinkxbudgetz.com. Don't forget it has a Z at the end. I also have the option that you guys can pay with PayPal. So yeah, Thursday 7 p.m. I'll be launching my new items. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.